Now then guys, back with another video. Golden Lion Emperor Fireworks Selection box. So gradually getting through all of my Golden Lion boxes from this collection here. I've got the Mandarin box up online. There was also Warlord, and there was a larger box to this called the Dynasty, which is a fantastic box. I wish I could get it. Yeah, this also came with a different design. I think like a newer version where it had like a window on it, and the design had still like an oriental like figure on it, but it was like completely different. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this one. I've had this for quite a while, a couple of years. I just got around to videoing it. As you can see, it's a really cool looking box. Let's have a look at the contents. So as with all the Golden Lion boxes, it's just rammo full of goodies. Just get into what we have. We have these Happy Fruit Bat rockets. Produces whistles and eject stars. Nice little pack of rockets. You get 5 in a pack. You get quite a lot of fountains, obviously, a few Roman candles. But as you can see, if I open up this box, there you got the 4 tubes. Really good fountain, this one. I'll put it back properly later. What else? Have these small whistling pearls. There's quite a few of these box fountains. Yeah, sounding pearls. So emits shower sparks and produces whistles. If I can open one up, you can see what it's like inside. Just a singular tube. There you are. I don't know how it works with the whistle. It's it's a bit of a weird one, this one. Not too sure. But there you are. There's a couple of them. We have these ones with a stand on. Red begonias. There you are. There's another one. And you also have this white orchids. Also with a stand. You have this sunflowers, and this next one is a green leaves. Pretty cool. Just tiny fountain placed on the ground like that. Be absolutely fine. Then we have the pinwheel with your nail there, so you can attach it to a post, get that spinning. Let's have a look at these celebration fountains. And all the set, like the Golden Lion boxes that you get, there's so many different variations of fountains. Like there's quite a few designs of the celebration ones. They're all like slightly different in the packaging. This is the green variant of that celebration fountain. Spring flowers. There you have it. Burton on Trent address. Winter snow. Sure, if you've watched my channel and you see my other Golden Lion boxes, you'll see most of these in the other boxes. You have a little joyous mountain. Here's another one of them little box fountains, whistling pearls. So I actually get 2 of the whistling pearls and 2 of the sounding pearls. Yeah, carrying on with the fountains. Bumper harvesting orchard. And if you've been looking at my videos, you'll know that this is one of my favourite fountains, Bumper Harvesting Vineyard. So many fireworks in this box, so keep digging in for more. And here's the final variant on the Celebration fountain in this box. We've got some of these chunky fountains. You've got the opal. You have the ruby. And completing the trio of the jewel themed fountains, you have the diamond. Nice big candles these are. Then you have these candles here, which you get in a lot of the boxes. Magnolias, and also these dancing moons. See these often in the cosmic boxes. There's a right mishmash with the cosmic and golden lion in some of the boxes. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot about the emerald. So you got 4 different jewel themed fountains. Again, got these 2 colourful dragons. See these in a lot of the boxes as well. Carrying on with the candles, I'll take out that cosmic firework lighter. You have this red dragon. Oh, just went and dropped one. Move this over. Ah! They're all falling on my lap. Flashing thunderbolts. Nice firework that. Little air bomb repeater. We've got these nice, really nice chunky candles. Super Thunder. Got Chinese writing on it. You also have this Flashing Thunder. And there's another Flashing Thunderbolts. They'll be really good. Then you have Mystic Mountain. It's like a true conic. It's a really weighty piece. Proper decent build quality on it. It's nice. These 2 mines. Mine of Abundant Noise and Mine of Abundant Colours. And it's Shara Sparks and Eject Stars. And it's Shara Sparks and Bangs. Then we have the Lotus Blossom. Just like I was saying about the Orchard and Vineyards, this is one of my favourites as well. I think they're both in my top, well, easily in my top 10 on my fountains. This is a really good piece. If you watch JT's channel, he's got it up there. Really nice duration in it as well. Got plenty of tubes. It's a pucker piece, man. And we got this brilliant Happy Festivals mine. Emits Shara Sparks, ejects bangs. There you have it. This one's really good. Really good mine, that. And then, to finish off, you got this Temple of Happiness cake. Ejects stars and or whistles and or bangs. So it can't really make up its mind what it's going to do. It probably depends what side of the bed it gets out of. That's good way to finish off the selection box. So made a massive mess, but as you can see, I'm stacking them all up before I put them back in the box. There's untold in this box. If I count them all, got that one cake, and you got 3 mines, that's 4. That conic, that's 5. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. So what's that? 8 and 5, so that's 13. Then you have all these other fountains, 16. Oh yeah, another candle, 17. Then back with the fountains, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I will put these back properly. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 fireworks, and a pack of 5 rockets, and a little firelighter. Oh yeah, and the pinwheel, so that's 1 extra. So as you can see, brilliant selection, absolutely cram full to the brim with beautiful fireworks, and a lovely design on the box to boot. There you have it. Emperor Fireworks selection by Golden Lion Fireworks, part of the Cosmic brand.